Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. I'm creating videos about my art experimentations and many things around art. Welcome in this new video. 2023 is finally here. Happy New Year everyone. It's time for me to do a little recap for 2022. So let's go. This year was super busy for me, artistically speaking, but also in life. I traveled a lot, created a lot of art pieces, and a lot of videos. I was quite occupied by the YouTube channel, especially on the first half of the year, for a total of 36 videos, which is less than last year, but still a lot of videos here. So I'm quite happy about that. The channel reached 500 people who are following my work, which is incredible. And I'm really grateful for every person who is happy to spend a moment of their day with me. So thank you so much. I've been also really busy with the shop because I did 3 shop updates through the year, which was a first for me and a lot of work. Thank you to everyone who purchased something and supported my little online shop. I love to create new products for the shop, and it's amazing when people are liking them as well. I spent a lot of time on TikTok this year, scrolling but also creating some videos there and on Instagram. Videos is now something that is really popular on other social medias than YouTube, so I also experimented there, and I would like to continue to because it's quite fun and rewarding. But I still love the YouTube format. For me, it's way more chill and less fast-consuming content. On YouTube, people are okay to spend a lot of time with me, and I don't feel like I have to constantly catch the attention of everyone. But the process of creating content is also way easier on these platforms, so yeah, I want to continue to experiment with both type of platforms. I've been a bit less regular on publishing new videos on YouTube, and I struggled a lot with the end of the year rhythm between my work and my side projects. But I feel like I continue to learn new things and to progress, and it's an amazing feeling. I can't wait to continue to grow as an artist and try even more things in 2023. Already have a lot of really cool projects coming, but we'll talk about it soon. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye!